Coach, congratulations, victory. First time na nanalo ang Liga against Ateneo in 9 years. Another achievement. So, what can you say about your team's performance? You outscored them 30-17 in the fourth quarter. What can you say about your team?
Well, again, challenge ko lang yung mga players ko last practice because again, nasira na naman yung aming rotation because of one of my player got injured again. It's Ethan Gallas suffering right now with knee problem. So, na-challenge lang sa akin yung mga bata na, especially those players na coming off the bench, they need to step up and feel nila yung spot ng kay Ethan Gallas. And I'm so happy again with the boys. They responded very well again.
Thank you. Precious Momo, 18 points, 15 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, 1 block in no relief job, 40 minutes. So, what can you say? What can you say that you're able to pull this through despite missing one of your key players? What can you say?
It is a good win, but I feel like, at the end of the day, this is a team sport, so and we're all like one big family. So Ethan was injured, so everyone had to step up. So I feel like that's what we did tonight. So I'm just happy that we got the win at the end of the day.
Thank you. Versus to Rainier, we had 8 points on 3 of 16, 3 assists and 3 rebounds. Kasi nga, wala yung isa sa mga key players niyo, pero ikaw isa sa mga nag-step up. So, ano yung kailangan niyo gawin para magtuloy-tuloy itong winning streak niyo? Dahil lang papalapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng first round.
First of all, salamat sa Panginoong Diyos na binigay niyo sa amin yung panalo. Yung sa ano lang po, kahit kulang po kami ngayon na naglaro. Pero ginawa lang po namin yung best namin at tiwala lang po sa sarili kay coach na lagi siyang nagpupush sa amin na maging mabuting player. Yun lang.
I think the floor is open for questions.
Sa'yo, Rainier, ano lang yung naging tumatakbo sa isip mo kung pag-ibigyan ka ng chance ng goal or na makakuha ng true crucial victory siya?
Yung nasa isip ko lang ng true crucial victory so talagang nagtiwala na ako sa sarili ko. Talagang ginawa ko na yung best ko kasi talaga ng tiwala niya ko sa akin.
Injured si Ethan for this game mula. So siguro, ano na yung isa ba siya sa motivation ko rin na step up ka para sa kanya?
Oo, kasi lahat kami, family kami. So, need kami ng support ng each other. So, kahit wala yung isa, at least meron mag-step up sa amin.
Coach, nabanggit niyo in the previous games, si Moiro may green light siya for sa inyo. It was also si Tangana. Si Rainier, ba isa din siya sa mga players na may green light na
Well, actually, lahat naman sila may green light sa akin to shoot. Ang inaano ko lang sa kanila is yung kailangan good shot selections tayo. But all of my players has a green light to shoot sa akin.
Also, Coach, si Moreno 4 of 5 sa shooting ngayon, pero nung nakaka-test si Rainier, siya yung nag-assist most of the time. Siguro, ano na sinasabi na about the unselfishness of Moreno?
Well, actually, yun yung reason why nandito siya sa amin. No? When I recruited him, yun yung mga factors na nakita ko sa kanya. Na he can slash, he can shoot outside, and he can pass the ball sa mga teammates. That's why nagtitiwala ko siya when he entered the court. Alam ko na he's capable of helping the team.
Coach, for two record play ngayon, first eight games, third games is natin. Siguro, mag-1 according to the first round. Siguro gano'ng please na kayo sa performance ng team na kumbaga after the first round mo nasa final four spot.
Well, actually, yun yung lagi kong hinihiling sa mga bata na kailangan namin mag-improve yung standing namin. Kasi this yung mga last few games, this is very crucial for us or even sa other teams. Because this is, aside from maganda yung standing mo, but also I consider this as positioning na. That's why as much as possible, we want to break away na dun sa pack. Yeah.
For Precious and sa start ng season siguro medyo hindi pa sure kung saan yung magiging place na yung sa standings. Pero now that you're in third place, you're starting to believe that you can really beat in the Final Four this year.
We have always believed, ever since the start of this season, our number one goal is to make the Final Four, whatever it takes. So I think we just have to be consistent, play as a team.
Yung off-season ko namin, start ko ng January, talagang bukal ko talaga sa ensayo. Kasi si coach nag-push po talaga sa amin na gawin namin yung best namin kasi para preparation for the season. So lahat kami may kanya-kanyang tiwala sa mga teammates, so para makuha namin yung goal namin na makapalit sa amin.
Our coach, Precious played all 14 minutes. Was it by design for him to play the entire game? So what can you say on how he stepped up to that challenge?
Actually, si Precious naman, he is in good shape. To me, as a coach, alam ko na kaya he can play for 40 minutes. The thing lang with the previous games namin, nakaka-foul lang siya. And if you notice, nag-change kami ng defense from man to zone. So meaning, hindi siya masyadong mapapagod kasi nandun naman sa isang area. So yun yung cave lang talaga.
For Precious, how do you handle playing against all 40 minutes a day?
This is my job, this is what I do for a living, so I am ready to play 100 minutes, 40 minutes, I'm ready to die out there, this is what I signed up for, so yeah, I'm ready for the challenge, whatever it takes.
Coach, siguro ba napasarap na sa game na may plethora of focus na kayo in your release na Pinoy? Siguro ba helpful naman din yung further to yung discovery this season?
Well, honestly, ako as a coach, yun nga yung sometimes nagiging problema ko. Because I know that all of my players, especially dun sa 1, 2, 3 position, I know that all of them are capable of playing. So sometimes, nakakaroon pa nga ako ng problema kung sino yung bubunutin o gagamitin ko. But ako lagi kong sinasabi sa mga batang yan na we cannot afford na maglaro kayo ng all together. It's only 40 minutes divided by 16 players. It's around 2 minutes 30 seconds lang. So talagang medyo shorten yung rotation. But of course, sina-challenge ko sila na every time na you enter the court, kahit na 2-3 minutes yan, just give your best. Maybe I take this opportunity also that I'm so happy with my Nico Tapang played, quality minutes, but again, he step up. Nung first few quarters, si John Abid, medyo off siya. So at least, I'm so happy that nag-step up si Nico.
Coach facing Adamson this Sunday. You're also playing Adamson. Especially, ito na, nag-uumpisa na yung labanan sa first one na sa Final Four.
Well, again, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga bata, it's a good win. Let's enjoy the victory. But tomorrow, go back to reality kami. Knowing Adamson, they played well last few games. They have a big rest. I mean a long day rest. So for sure they're gonna prepare for us this coming Sunday. So kami basta gagawin lang namin yung trabaho namin and hopefully makaisa rin sa amin.
Congratulations, Coach.